order to transfer funds on Sharekhan app, please go to the hamburger menu and select the option of transfer funds. You can either add funds, withdraw funds, or allocate funds within various segments internally, such as equity, IPO, mutual fund, currency, or commodity. In order to top up the Sharekhan trading account, select the option of Add Funds. Sharekhan has tied up with 38 banks to facilitate online fund transfer using UPI or NetBanking methods without any extra cost. Select the amount which you want to transfer, select the segment in which you want to transfer the amount, and click on Transfer Funds. Follow the process thereafter, and upon completing the process, the money will be credited in your Sharekhan trading account in a short period of time. In case you have linked a bank account which is not amongst the 38 banks, you can still transfer the funds in the Sharekhan account by using the NEFT or RTGS facility. In order to know more about the same, please click here for details. In order to withdraw funds, select the option of Withdraw Funds, type the amount which you wish to withdraw, select the segment from which you want to withdraw the funds, and click on Withdraw Cash. The amount will get credited in your bank account in few hours.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investment needs.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.